we'll guide you through how to add captions in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load the project you want to add captions to. Once your project is open, go to the Edit page where you have your timeline. From here, look for the Effects library, which is usually on the top left of your screen. Click on it, and under the Toolbox section, you'll find Titles. Click on Titles, and then you'll see an option for Subtitles. Drag and drop the Subtitles option onto your timeline where you want the captions to start. You'll notice a new subtitle track appears, and you can click on it to edit. In the Inspector panel on the right, you can enter your caption text. Be sure to adjust the timing so that the captions match your audio, simply by dragging the edges of the subtitle box in the timeline. If you need multiple captions, just repeat this process, adding new subtitle boxes where needed. You can also customize the look of your captions by adjusting the font, size, and color in the Inspector panel. This allows you to match the style to your video's theme. When you're happy with your captions, remember to save your project. Finally, when you're ready to export your video, go to the Deliver page. Here, make sure to select the option to include subtitle tracks in the export settings, so your captions are embedded in the final video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.